let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated.
What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know.
All right, guys, get ready, because today we're diving into another sovereign citizen showdown, and this one starts hot. Right out the gate, the defendant declares he's not a 13th Amendment slave or a 14th Amendment corporate citizen. It's the same recycled rhetoric, except this time, he sounds like he barely understands the script himself. If you've ever wondered what happens when legal fantasy meets real courtroom consequences, you're in for a ride. Let's see just how far this guy tries to take it.
Mr. Riley, thank you for, that was going to be my suggestion, to log out and log back in, but you did use the chat.
I am here on that matter, my honor. I am, for the record, on the record, and let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am a national, I am a Moorish American, and I have standing ancestral Mr. Moroccan Empire, the adjoining islands by inheritance, but not by purchase. Moorish pedigree. I am competent. I am allodial, and I'm liberated. I am. All rights preserved and retained without prejudice or recourse. Certificate registration number AA 77869, March 25th, 1848 AD, corresponding to the Moorish calendar 1368. Copyright owner C.M. Bays. Clock of Destiny, March 25th, 48 AD, MC 1368. Certificate registration number AA 209316, March 31st, 1952 AD, MC 1327. Masonry plus art, astrology, history, and geography. Clock of Destiny 2, reused edition of the previous book of Clock of Destiny, Title 22, Chapter 2, Council Courts General Information, and certificate registration number AA 222141, September 8th, 1952, AD, MC 1372, Clock of Destiny, Moorish American, all Moroccan nationality card or identification with Zodiac Constitution, and certificate AA 222141 is the focus of the determination for the without.
Guys, because now the sovereign rambling hits overdrive. The man launches into a bizarre declaration packed with pseudo-legal jargon and astrology references, citing dates from the 1800s and some mysterious clock of destiny. It's like watching someone read the terms and conditions of a conspiracy theory. The best part? He thinks this nonsense gives him immunity from eviction. This is sovereign citizenship in its rawest, most delusional form.
In all foreign Christian nations. Title 8, United States Code 1324, federally protected Moors.
What did they say about the Christian nations? What you just said about, this only applies to the Christian nations?
It says other foreign Christian nations.
Other foreign Christian nation. What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American. I'm more into being related to Moorish American ideology.
I was just trying to figure out, I was just listening. I was listening in. All right. Okay. Well, I have you checked in, Mr. Riley.
Okay.
And Ms. Haddad, are you requesting legal counsel?
This section is where things go from strange to downright theatrical. The sovereign starts rattling off certificate numbers and copyright claims like he's summoning a legal spell. He talks about Moorish nationality, zodiac constitutions, and even masonry art. You almost forget this is about unpaid rent. His delivery is so deadpan you'd think he's reading sacred scripture. But no matter how dramatic it sounds, none of it matters in housing.
09, this is Harriet Tubman Apartments versus Brian Riley and all occupants.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Rania Haddad, P84927 on behalf of the plaintiff.
And Mr. Riley, can you please just state your name? Let's see, I want to prompt you to.
A minute. Okay. For the record, my name is Brian D. Raleigh.
All
Hello?
right. Yes, yes, sir. Thank you. All right, were parties able to work out some type of resolution?
Yes, Your Honor. The parties have agreed to enter into a conditional dismissal with box 4B checked. Mr. Raley's balance due and owing is $2,088.46. He will pay he's going to pay $742 on the 5th of every month, beginning on 5/5/2023. That $742 includes his $542 of monthly rent per month, and then an additional $200 towards the balance. So he will pay on the 5th of every month, starting on May 5th, 2023, $742 until the balance reaches zero. And then after the balance is zero, he will resume his regular monthly rent.
And the regular monthly rent is $542, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
So $200 extra. Is it 2088.44?
It is 2088.46.
0.46. Okay. All right. And is 4B checked?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Riley, do you understand the terms of this agreement?
Yes, I do.
All right. If you make those payments, your matter will be dismissed. In the event you don't, a judgment and a writ of eviction can be filed at the same time. We wouldn't have to come back to court. So
Now we're entering peak delusion. He tries to twist U.S. code into some imaginary protection for federally recognized Moors, while stumbling over basic questions like, what is a Christian nation? He claims he doesn't know, because of course he's Moorish American. You can literally feel the courtroom's patience evaporating. This is the part where fantasy meets cold reality. The judge hasn't even started yet, but the writing is already on the wall. All right, guys, if you thought the nonsense was over, think again. Our sovereign friend keeps pushing the narrative, but the cracks are showing. When asked if he wants legal counsel, he casually declines, because apparently Google and Reddit have replaced law school. It's hard not to laugh as he tries to outsmart a system that's seen every trick in the book. Spoiler, they've heard it all, and they're not buying any of it. Here comes the twist. Turns out, this sovereign citizen actually agreed to pay. Yep, the same guy who declared himself above U.S. jurisdiction is now signing off on a payment plan for his rent debt. Over $2,000 owed, with $742 due monthly, including a catch-up fee. So much for sovereignty. The irony, he delivers his real name clearly and respectfully after all that mumbo-jumbo. The courtroom isn't impressed, it's just relieved he didn't start quoting space law now. This part feels like watching a balloon deflate. After all the dramatic proclamations and legal theater, he accepts the payment terms without so much as a protest. The judge lays it out clearly: make the payments or face eviction without another hearing. And just like that, the sovereign charade crumbles. It's the quiet defeat that hits hardest. No fireworks, just a slow realization that fantasy arguments don't stop real-life consequences. All right, guys, let's wrap this up. The guy who claimed ancestral sovereignty and copyright immunity ends up quietly agreeing to pay rent like everyone else. No constitutional showdown, no courtroom rebellion, just a predictable end to a ridiculous beginning. These sovereign stunts never work, and the courts know it, yet people keep trying. What did you think? Was he just acting, or truly that lost in the sauce?